Hi there, grade 1. We are looking at our Jolly Phonics letter sounds and we're doing group 4. It will be A, J, O, I, E, and OR. Remember that you look at the letter on the screen and then you tell mum and dad what letter sound it makes. You also show them the special sign for that letter sound. After that, you think of a word that has that letter sound in, and then you can also practice writing it if you want to. Remember that some of the letter sounds have got 2 letters next to each other, making one sound. So think carefully when you look at this group of letters. Here's your first one. Let's go. This is your J sound, and we pretend that our bodies will be jelly, and we shake our bodies as we say J, J, J. Here's your next one. When we see the O and the A next to each other, together they say oh. Remember when the goat got trapped under the tree? The boy and girl said oh. So this is our O sound. Here's your next one. When the E and the A stand next to each other, we say I. Remember the boy's standing in front of the mirror pretending to be a sailor, and he salutes at himself and he says, I, Captain, I. So this sound says I. Next. This is our E sound. When an E and an A stands next to each other, it says E, and it's one of the sounds on our donkey picture. Remember when our ears are up, it says E. And this is our OR sound. This is the other one on the donkey picture. Now we're going to fold our fingers down as if we're folding our ears down, just like the donkey. And it says OR. Here you have all the letter sounds on one card. Once you know all the sounds, you can point to all of them and show mum and dad that you know all the letter sounds. Bye-bye.